Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add keywords to your YouTube channel on the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. First, you should open the website on your device. After that, you should scroll down on this left side column of the screen and tap on the button settings down below. After that, you should tap on channel status and features in the your YouTube channel section. And then you should wait a few seconds till it loads. And after that, you should tap on general or the channel button in the left side column and click on basic info. Here you can see this keywords box down below where you should tap on it and then type in the keywords that you would like to add to your channel. As you can see, you should enter comma separated values. For example, beauty, then add a comma, and here you can see the keyword added. So feel free to type in any keywords, and if you want to remove any of these, just simply tap on the X button next to it and it will be removed automatically. If you are done with typing in your keywords, you can see you have 500 characters that you can type in. Tap on the save button in the right side column down below of this box to save all these keywords. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.